Jetson ONE. Jetson ONE, a single-person flying car, is made of lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber. It was reported that the vehicle, which weighs 86 kilograms, can reach a speed of 101 kilometers per hour thanks to its 118 horsepower engine. The next revolution in automotive technology after electric cars will be flying cars. Many companies are already making huge investments to develop their own flying cars. One of these companies, Swedish Jetson Aero, developed a personal flying car called Jetson ONE and offered it for sale last year for $92,000. Jetson Aero has also started deliveries of flying cars, which it offers for sale at $92,000. Thanks to US regulations, no driver's license or pilot's license is required to fly the Jetson ONE. The eVTOL, vertically taking off and landing, Jetson ONE flying car cannot be used in urban areas and near airports due to regulations. Anti-gravity levitating water drops. A captivating fountain that appears to defy gravity, producing an optical illusion before your eyes. What's the secret sauce? It's all about stroboscopic magic. This unique water fountain lamp flashes LED lights at a frequency that mimics the movement of water droplets, creating the illusion of floating or rising upwards. The best part is including your furry buddies in the action. Imagine the hilarious moments when your dogs engage with these gravity-defying droplets. SurPro S1 Drywall Stilts. The ideal combination of historic style and modern innovation. These stilts combine a classic style with advanced safety, comfort, and performance features. What sets them unique? Magnesium still bodies are 33% lighter than aluminum, allowing for agility without sacrificing safety. This is a significant improvement above industry standards. These single-sided stilts are ideal for professionals to easily reach new heights for cleaning or working. Lumus received about $50 million in investments, and the monies were well utilized. Lumus AR glasses offer a wide viewing angle of up to 50 degrees and great clarity in daytime. The Lumus Maximus prototype outperforms several similar goods. The monitors have a resolution of 248 by 2048 pixels. The image is clearer and more colorful than in other items. Lumus Maximus provides natural light, making the wearer's eyes visible. Torch Ring Wearable LED Flashlight. This Japanese flashlight ring is ideal for joggers who run early in the morning or late at night for work. With a brightness of 350 lumens, you can confidently run in all weather and at any time of day. According to the manufacturers, simply wearing it on your finger is sufficient. Nick's GoSleep. Sociologists identified South Korea as the country with the worst sleep deficiency globally. Only 35% of respondents reported getting adequate sleep. In comparison, 68% of Indian respondents reported a good night's sleep. Today's video features the GoSleep technology from South Korea. This device promotes sleep by maintaining ideal amounts of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also features aromatherapy lights and air currents. The developers claim it's effective, with participants falling asleep within 15 minutes. Break X1. Meanwhile, the designers of Break X1 have successfully merged a speaker and tablet. The product currently features 2 microphones and is marketed as a popular party accessory. It provides 100 watts of electricity and is ideal for karaoke and guitar riffs. A fully charged Break X1 provides approximately 6 hours of pleasure. Connect to it via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and manage it on the 13.3-inch screen. Eliminates the need to constantly switch tracks using your phone. It comes preloaded with YouTube and Spotify. You can buy this gadget for $670. CyperPRO. Pen testers are experts who lawfully assault security systems. Tests are conducted to identify issues and vulnerabilities. Meet CyperPRO, a useful gadget for penetration testers. This game console has Wi-Fi, RFID, NFC, and Bluetooth modules, as well as GPIO and transceivers. Despite its appearance, it can perform a malicious USB attack by impersonating another device and connecting to a USB port. This is merely a taste of CyperPRO's capabilities. You may purchase it for $109. Open Bionics Hero Arm. This is a game-changing advancement in prosthetics for adults and children. Wearing a prosthetic limb transforms individuals into superheroes. Marvel's inexpensive, intuitive, and empowering products are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The world's most cheap advanced multi-grip prosthetic arm offers a variety of features that integrate into daily living. The Hero Arm easily adapts to various tasks, such picking up a cup of coffee and offering a high five. The Hero Arm, which is both strong and lightweight, is not only changing lives, but also redefining what it means to accept possibilities. Twinkly Square Starter Kit. The panels have 64 LEDs each and display amazing pixel art. These Bluetooth and Wi-Fi panels are easy to set up using your smartphone. They integrate smoothly with speech assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. A set of 1 control panel and 5 standard panels costs $23. EverFit X. EverFit X is ideal for those who value regular exercise but lack access to a gym. The home workout system includes a rowing machine, treadmill, and fitness pump. The settings are shown on a huge touchpad, which is easily accessible even while running. With dimensions of 170 by 91 by 120 centimeters and a folding form, the EverFit X requires minimal space. The system is priced at $400. Overade Life. Overade's innovative and advanced cycling helmets bring adventure to clients' daily lives. It has front and back lighting, turn signals, and can operate for up to 20 hours on a single battery. Additional features include a retractable visor and thoughtful aerodynamics. The helmet costs $98 and is slated to be delivered in May 2024. XL18 Flamethrower. You can't help but smile when using the XL18, as the maker claims. What better way to market a flamethrower? The XL18 can shoot up to 33 meters and hold a flame for approximately 7 seconds. This flamethrower is available for $3,450 and can be refueled using napalm. Mishatu Voyager Smart Suitcase. The Mishatu Voyager has changed the suitcase scene. It not only follows its owner, but also functions as an electric scooter. You can ride the Mishatu Voyager for around 7 kilometers. It weighs only 5.4 kilograms, has a 33-liter capacity, and costs $599. VSGO electronic air blower. This gizmo is a game changer for cleaning enthusiasts. It functions as both a vacuum cleaner and a blower, making it simple to clear crumbs from your keyboard. Remove dust from your smartphone speakers and camera lens. The device has an airflow of up to 33 meters per second, can last for an hour on a single charge, and includes an LED light for only $120.